Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. Had a solid day trade again. I was on the voice chat today, so I didn't get to call these out in the trade alerts tab. So these alerts, I called them out live on the voice. It's a lot easier to do that when I'm trading, and I didn't want anybody to chase on the trade, so I just called these out in the voice. So the first one was SPY short. That was a pretty quick trade, so I took short right about 252.42, and then add a little bit more, and then took profits on that one at 251.6. so got a nice move on SPY. And then the next big trade was Boeing. So this one I sold a little bit early, didn't get filled when it went on the gap up. Second later after I sold, it gapped up $1, but on this one I got in at 159.27, so that was at 10.05, so that's right on this candle here. So this one wasn't really showing a sign of a confirmation or reversal, so this is a little bit advanced trade. So let's zoom in on this chart, the candlesticks right here. So on this candle I took long at 159.27 because look at these candles. I saw a bottom forming, so this is a reversal setup right here. When you see candles come down and you see the candles get smaller and smaller, and notice this inverse hammer. So a hammer, pretty much, if this was upside down, it would be up. So this is an inverse hammer. So that means it's usually signed for a reversal to come. I saw SPY going up as well. That's S&P 500. So I was looking for a reversal on this one. Notice the candle was a green engulfing candle, bullish, came down again, but it closed up above the previous one. So that's the type of things that I look for when I'm looking at this. And then I'll zoom out a little bit. So what happened? I took entry on the next one because I knew it was going to go up. MACD was curling up. RSI was going up over 30 over here. So I triggered my entry at 159.27 on the candle. And what happened? Made a huge gap up right there. If you were to get this before anticipation on, okay, it went down so much, oh, it's going to go back up again, look how long you would have had to wait, and it could have kept falling. When you wait for confirmation like this, that's what happens with the snap of the trade. So that's where you get in on the confirmation, and then you look for explosive moves like this. So I got in at 159.27. I sold at 159.7. I was looking for that over 160, and immediately second after, I had my limit set at our entry, and what happened? It only filled me at 159.7. So what happened? It went over all the way to 164. High of this was 164.8. So about more than $4 per share profit on this one. If you took this all the way up to the top, $4 per share potential, but I could have easily got a couple bucks on this one. So that was a big trade on Boeing today, and I was also looking at the previous support levels and resistance levels, but being that it gapped down so much, I saw S&P 500 reversing and going up, so I took the entry on this one, got the quick gap fill, got out. Second after I sold, went all the way over to 161, 162 right after. So got out a little bit early on this one, but I was just playing the gap fill, so happy with those profits. Can't complain on a green day. Again, stuck to the plan, stuck to the risk management. If it were to go below, I was looking to cut losses right below the candle. So it's really important to get these support resistance levels right and just play it with those. I went over this in the voice chat this morning as well. When you see confirmation like that, when you see that green candle, and when you see it closing over, when you look for reversal signs and get in on the confirmation, that's where you'll see high probability chance of profits, because you're playing the system, you're playing with the risk management, and you're playing anticipation on how other traders trade in the markets as well. So those are the two trades that we took. I was looking for another reversal on Boeing right here. Had an explosive move. I was looking at 161.5. I switched back to S&P 500 chart. I looked back and this is exploded after. So I missed the entry. I don't chase, so I just let it go. And I was looking for a short later on, but it wasn't really looking too good because markets were still bullish, and this was fighting the overall trend in SPY. So if you did catch that in the live voice alert, 161.5, could have potential to trade this all the way up to 169. So another trade on that one if you took that one. but this was one in the morning. So 2 trades, about $100 profit on that one on the day. Nothing crazy. Again, sold a little bit early, could have been more, but can't complain. That's Friday and ending the week in the green. So again, if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in joining the chat room, head over to pinnacletrading.us, scroll down, the chat room is for free, the voice chat is for free, all these trade alerts are for free, everyone to join. So just click that button and it'll take you over to Discord, and you can download that on the app, on your phone, or use it on the web, on the go, or you can join using the link in the description, which is probably easier. If you're interested in learning how to take these trades and find these trades, head over to pinnacletrading.us, click on the course tab, which is right over here or where I just showed you, and this is what the course offers, and it's right now on sale for 40% off till end of the month. So again, if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, join the chat room, show some support on our Pinnacle Trading social media. Hope you all have a great weekend, and I'll see you again next week.